Hey trader, today we're diving into the ATR Stop. So stick with me and we'll talk about how this indicator can help you. To start things off, the goal of this indicator is to show you possible stop regions based on the volatility of an asset's price. Here's the deal, it looks at three things. Number one, the difference between the current high and the current low. Number two, the absolute value of the current high minus the previous close. And the last one, the absolute value of the current low minus the previous close. In other words, it measures market volatility by decomposing the entire range of an asset price for the period. Now let's get real and practical. Check this out. We've got Nasdaq 100 on the daily chart. You see this point right here where the price breaks through the resistance? That's your upward pivot. And even with a couple of correction candles like this one and this one right here, if your stop was close to the ATR, you'd still be riding the trade with an 8% profit. But hold on, there's more. You can see that the market takes a nosedive after hitting a lower top, and following the trend reversal to the downside, our ATR stop would signal a sell only on this candle. So, following that move, if you had a stop loss on a long position, you would have totally saved the day with an incredible 25% increase until the price bounced back in this candle here. And that's the power of the ATR Stop. Now tell us in the comment section, ever heard of the ATR Stop before? Do you think that it can help you with your trading strategies? Tell us your thoughts below. Catch you in the next one!